Hey guys, just wanted to do a quick video on something I'm making today, and this is the picnic roast that I started, and I have it at a 350 degree oven. Look at this, okay? And what I did is salt, pepper, garlic, and I used a knife, and then I injected garlic cloves inside all the way around, both on the top and bottom, underneath. Okay? This is going to be about a 3-hour project. I time it. Means I do my bake. I set my temperature for 350. That's my cook time. So it's been in an hour. I have 2 more hours to go. I do it for automatic cook time. Automatic, 3 hours, so it'll shut off when it's done. If I'm not around or I'm not paying attention, it'll shut off. But what I'm looking to do is I put a little water in the pan, and I put an aluminum tent over it. Okay, about an hour in, hopefully if I remember, I'll take this off, and I want to crisp this fat up. This is the skin of the shoulder. That's what this is a shoulder. It's a bone in. And boy, I can't wait. It's going to be a real fun project. So what I'm going to do after it goes through its process, and I'm going to get an internal temperature of 205, okay? But we'll get there. I'll do a video of breaking it up. It should be fork tender when you're done. Okay, so right now is the cooking process of breaking down the meat, putting a nice bark on this, and going from there. All right, guys? It's coming. Dinner will be ready in about 2 to 3 hours. Remember, the cooking process, and then there's a resting process. I'm going to put this back in the stove. Remember to let that stove work for you. Set the time and set it and forget it, right? All right, guys. We'll see you in a bit.